Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll show you how to delete your browsing history in Google Chrome. Clearing your browsing history can help protect your privacy and free up some space on your computer. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome on your computer. Locate the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder and click on it to launch the browser. Step 2. Click the three-dot menu located at the top right corner of Chrome. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. From the menu, select Settings to access the Chrome settings. Step 3. In the left panel of the settings page, you'll find a list of categories. Click on Privacy and Security to access the privacy and security settings. Step 4. Look for the Clear Browsing Data option and click on it. This will open a new tab specifically for clearing your browsing data. Step 5. From the drop-down menu, select All Time to ensure that you're deleting your entire browsing history, not just a specific period of time. Step 6. Now you can select the items you want to delete. You can choose to delete browsing history, cookies, cached images, and other site data. Simply check the boxes next to the items you want to remove. Step 7. Finally, click on Clear Data to delete the selected items from your browsing history. And that's it. You've successfully cleared your browsing history in Google Chrome. Remember, clearing your browsing history regularly can help maintain your privacy and improve the performance of your browser. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks.